Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we're working here on Mercedes C-Class, the W204 generation 2008-2015. And if you have a message that you have a burn low beam headlight bulb, okay, we'll show you how to change those now. Left and right side will be identical procedure. We'll demonstrate only on the left side on low beam. We have the video for every single bulb how to replace on that car, and we'll be taking the whole car apart, so more than 200 videos we'll have on the channel. Please subscribe if you need anything, let us know. So first thing, for the low beam we need to do, open the hood. Okay, once you open the hood, guys, let me show you where the low beam bulb is located. The low beam is the big one on the outside, right here. On left and right side it's the outside, the one with the big circle around it. So when you come on the back side of the headlight, okay, right here you have these caps. It's very important to install them when you're done. So you go counterclockwise to remove it, about 30 degrees, and now inside, okay, you have the bulb right there now. So you grab the headlight bulb and you turn it counterclockwise, and you go just a little bit, okay, counterclockwise, and then you pull it out. It's very important, okay, never to touch the new bulb with your fingers. Okay, so you need to grab a small screwdriver, and right here, okay, you need to push it out. Okay, the old bulb, still don't touch it, not to break in your hands, okay, but right here it needs to come out of the clip. Okay, like that. You can see this is the bulb right here. That's where it goes in the clip. On our model, 2014 model, this is an H7 bulb. Okay, so we'll show you when we get the new one now how to replace it. Okay, so you get the bulb. Now it's important how you install it. Okay, that thing right here needs to go over here. It goes only one certain way, and you need to push it all the way down, okay, until it clicks good on every side. Okay, let me make sure everything's good. Next, you grab the bulb. You need to go in the slots there. Okay, and stay with us. I'm going to demonstrate on a broken headlight exactly how it needs to be done, because it will be more visible. And you go clockwise. Okay, close the cap now, so dust and water doesn't get in. Now, on the broken headlight, guys, let me demonstrate. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so whether it's left or right headlight bulb, it doesn't matter. Okay, so you can see that's how you remove it. You go counterclockwise, you pull it out. Okay, and later, okay, those two things here, they need to go under the screws over there. So you go like that, you can see, and then you just need to push down, okay, and turn until it's locked in place. You cannot turn more to the right, it stops. And you can see how it stays under the screws there. So that's the whole procedure. Hopefully it was helpful, save you some money. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.